Hello friend. Thanks for your interest in Entromizer. Entromizer is a simple online-based accounts and inventory system. Let's take a look at the system. After login, it will give you an option to select your company. You can manage multiple companies and multiple branches by Entromizer. After selecting the company, you will land on dashboard. Its simple layout help you to understand your current situation of the company. From the top, you can switch to another company, switch to another language, and log out from the system. There is 7 main modules in the system: contact, sales, purchase, expense, inventory, accountant, reports, and settings. Contact. Contact is your first steps to start the software. All vendors and customers will be in the contact list. From here you can create your vendor and customers. Here you can see the list of all contacts and their outstanding amount. If you click on each one, you can see the amount receivable or amount payable. Inventory. You can keep inventory without having a warehouse. In the red case, the software will assume the stock is in the main branch. Or you can create multiple warehouses to keep your stock. Inter-branch stock transfer option is available. 2 types of products you can add. One is physical products and another is service type product. Only for physical products, you can keep stock. For physical products, you can keep different price range. This is one special feature of our system. Sales. Once you click on sales, you can see several menus. Let's click on all invoice link. It will show all invoices in particular date range. You can click on invoice number to see the details of the invoice. You can click on customer name to see the history of the customers. Now let's click on new invoice section. This is one of the most used pages of this system. Very simple to understand. Let me show you some special points. First, walking customer. If you don't want to keep customer tracking, you can click on this checkbox to mention this is walking customer. In the red case, you don't need to fill up customer form and all sales will be done by walking customer in the contact list. Now let me explain you the recurring invoice. If you click on this checkbox, following form will appear. If you want, this invoice will auto-generated after every certain period of time. You can do it. Also, you can set it in such a way, the invoice will be created and automatically sent to a particular email address. It is a nice and very important feature. The estimate is the almost same type of sales invoice, but the estimate will not hit your accounts. This is created to give cost estimation to the client. An estimate can be edited and converted to invoice by one click. Record payment is to receive payment from the client. Payment can be in a different mode and you can define it here. And each mode of payment will hit accounts differently. You can set this up from accounts configuration section. We have one special new features to make your life easier. It is markers full paid. There will be some case can arise where customers don't pay the full amount, like instead of $1,020, a customer paid $1,000. In the red case, you need to post another journal to adjust it. But if you click on markers full paid, this operation will be done automatically. Purchase. When you click on purchase, you will see following menu. By seeing the name, you can understand what will be there. Let me open few pages for you to make you little familiar with purchase section. New bill. All bill. New payment. Payment made. Expense. Through this module, you can track all of your daily and monthly expense. This expense is not related to purchase, like office equipment cost, travel bill, office rent, etc. Accountant. Accountant section is for your accountant. From here you can see the chart of accounts of the company. You can update or modify it at any time. There is another section here is manual journal. Sometimes it is important to place manual journal. Experienced accountant can do it very easily. But if you are not an accountant and you don't know which one will be debit and credit, no need to give your hand on it. The system will do all calculation for you. Report. Let's click on reports now. You can find lots of reports here. Let's open balance sheet. Now profit and loss statement. Invoice details. All reports have the option to export in PDF and Excel format. And also you can email the PDF report to anyone. Settings. Let's do a very quick look on settings. You can see few links here. Let's click on account configuration. From here you can configure how do you want to hit the chart of account for each transaction. At the time of delivery, we will configure it for you, but you can do it also. Year closing. End of the year, you need to close the year. At the top bar, you can see one drop down for fiscal year. For this drop down, you can switch to any fiscal year. By clicking this one button, you can close the current year. From company settings, you can set start and closing month of the year. It can be January to December or June to July or anything you like. User role. There are 4 different user roles there. Each user has some certain level of access. You can modify it by clicking here. Shortcut keys. This is the section I like most. Just like the desktop application, you can add shortcut key here. Also, you can change it from here. Thank you for watching the video. Few more videos are coming soon about Entromizer. So keep your eye on our YouTube channel. Entromizer is a customized solution, so if the existing features are not enough for your business, we can easily modify it for you. So if you want to order Entromizer for your company, give us a call. Or just drop a mail. Thanks again.